Dräger has a unique position in the intensive care. We offer solution when it comes to patient monitoring solution, to ventilator, interface to third-party devices as cardiovascular devices. All those devices are also directly connected through our monitoring system to the clinical information system. So every single device processes a lot of parameters, and those parameters are needed for the clinicians to guide the therapy. The clinical information system, it's an electronic flowchart which collects all the data and saves it automatically into an electronic format. This system is usually installed in a server room in the IT department. As one example, patient monitoring, we are looking at several types of data. Data can be invasive or non-invasive. For the non-invasive, we can look at the heart rate, which gives information about how fast the heart is pumping. We can also look at the oxygen saturation, and that gives us how much oxygen is in the blood. When the patient becomes more critical, then we need to have more advanced measurements, such as invasive blood pressure. And the invasive blood pressure gives us information on if the patient is hypotensive, so a low blood pressure, or hypertensive, a higher blood pressure. Currently, the communication between Dräger devices, we use a standard communication protocol, so it's a serial communication between devices. We collect information such as waveform, alarms, trends, and the settings coming from our ventilator, such as the Evita V500. When we need to communicate that information to our clinical information system, we use our Dräger Infinity network. When we look at sending the information directly to the information system, which is on the server, we use a proprietary protocol, which is the Dräger Infinity network. The data collection is the big data. So what we will be able to do with our clinical information system is gather all this data and be able to find some pattern recognition on certain behaviors. So the collection of the data will help us to better evaluate the condition of the patient and what the patient's status is and how to do to correct that. One real good example, we can use the Smart Sonar Sepsis, which is a newly Dräger added application, smart application that has been released in 2014.